Hello, scholars. Today we are going to consider a very important aspect as far as the grammar is concerned. That is question tag is there. Now, question tag means what? Question tag is some words we are adding to the statement in order to get the confirmation. Now we will understand what is actually the question tag and how the words are some words are added for the confirmation. We will see now. Here, some examples I am giving you. With the help of these examples, you will understand now. It was such an amazing display of talent, right? Look at now. This is the statement is there, but look at now. After comma, I have used wasn't it, and after that one, question mark is there. So when we are adding these couple of words after the statement in order to make the confirmation of the given statement, that is known as a tag. So in this way the tag is added there. What is shown means I am showing with the help of the mark box is there, understand. Similarly, the second example is there. Now here the sentence can be divided into two parts. So look at now which are the two parts that I have already told you. The main statement is there, which is the first one, the main statement. Understand, after considering that main statement, what is there? It was such an amazing display of talent is the main statement, and short edition is there. So what was the short edition that we have made? Wasn't it? Here you can see now what wasn't it is the short uh, edition is there, understand. So what kind of a short edition we are making? This one is actually the tag is there. The short edition is a part added to the sentence to ask for either for the confirmation or for the agreement, right? So therefore what is there, we can get the confirmation about the statement, right? And generally the additional part that we are going to add, it will put some confirmation or it will give some agreement is there. So in this way the tag is added there. Now how to add the tag, right? We will see, but before that we will try to understand what is actually question tag. A short, such type of short addition after the statement is called question tag. Okay, so what kind of addition I have told you after the statement, that is known as the question tag is there. Now how the tag is added there, we have to consider. Now, for this purpose, we should know the tense as well as we should know the helping verbs according to the subject. Okay, so first of all, let's see some of the rules related with the formation of question tag. Okay, so look at now. I am showing you the some rules regarding the question tag. Here it is being there, right? While adding the question tag, we have to remember we have to follow certain rules are there. So rule can look at now. Now here the statement: we didn't participate in all the event, did we? So look at now the statement: we didn't participate in all the event. Did we is the additional part. It means did we is the tag is there. So how this tag is added there, we will see now with the help of the rule. Now we didn't participate in this sentence. Didn't, this word is very important because this word will tell you it belongs to the past tense. And second important thing, that it is negative because did not, this word is there. It means if the statement is negative, then the tag taken by such a statement is a positive one. So look at now here didn't is there, therefore tag is did, right? Didn't is negative, but the what kind of a short addition we have made, it is positive, right? Now let us consider the second rule with the help of example. What is the example is that it is a, such a innovative concept. This is the statement. Now it is such a innovative concept isn't it is the short addition or tag we can say now. Now it is such an innovative sentence. In this sentence is the helping verb. Understand? The statement doesn't contain any kind of a negative word, no negation is there, it means the statement is positive. As the given statement is positive, it means the tag that we are adding, it should be negative, right? And after adding according to the subject means what is the subject, according to that subject we have to take the appropriate pronoun. Yes, by considering the number and the tense of the given sentence. In this way means first rule was there, if the statement is negative then tag is positive. Second rule, if the statement is positive then tag should be negative. Okay, now let us move toward the third rule is there. What is in the third rule? Let us try to find out. Here you can see Virat does what a captain is expected to do, doesn't he? Look at now, Virat does what a captain is expected to do, right? And doesn't he is the additional part. Now which rule is applicable here? Let us see. What is the rule? The tense of the tag remains the same as of the statement. So look at now, in this statement Veera does what a captain is expected to do. In this sentence the simple present tense is being followed there. Understand? As it is followed a simple present tense, then the tag, while adding the tag we have to follow the same tense is there, right? By considering the number of subject and person of the subject, according to that one we have to use the appropriate helping verb. Now in this sentence Vira does, so does what is this, right? It is main verb is there actually, but Vira is third person, therefore this do take what, it takes es suffix is there, so therefore we have to take the same kind of a helping verb we have to use. Understand? Now the next is there, second rule we have to consider. A pronoun is used instead of a noun in the statement while adding the tag. So look at now here, Virat is the subject in the sentence, but when we added the additional part, in that additional part, instead of Virat, you find I have taken he. So it means we have to take the pronoun instead of the noun that is occurring in the main statement while adding the tag. Okay, now next rule we will consider, I am taking up the responsibility with the pride, aren't I? So look at now, in this statement you will find I is the subject, and this sentence belongs to the simple present, present continuous tense. As it is, it belongs to the present continuous tense. What is there? I is the only subject, after that am is following there. Understand? But when you want to add the tag, most of the time we are using the helping verb which is occurring in the statement, but this is not applicable when the subject is first person singular. So I is the first person singular, later it is followed by am. Okay, so in such case how to add the tag? Let's see now. Here you find I am taking up the responsibility with the pride. This is the statement, but what is the short addition is there? What kind of short addition we made? It's aren't I is there. Now you may be little confused, how are or are not is occurring before I, because generally we know I am. Yes, this is the construction. So look at now, when we are adding the tag with the, when the subject is first person singular, at that time we have to use aren't, because this is there is an this is an exception to the rule. Now try to understand what is actually the exception. Exception means, exception means that is not applicable to the rule, or that rule is not applicable here. So look at now, the verb in the tag is not the same as mentioned in the subject. Understand? Therefore, as this is not following the rule, therefore it is a exception is there. Now, next rule we will try to understand with the given example. What is given in the example? There were not too many options. There were not too many options at his disposal. Okay, were they? So look at now. Were not, but the tag we have added here. Were they? The subject there is used. So look at now. What is the subject in this sentence? The subject is there here. Understand? When subject there occurs, then what happens? The subject there is used in the tag, but it is not used with this, that, there, and those. There and those. So look at now. What is when the subject is there, is given there, then it is not used when it is used with there and those. Understand? So it is the rule. Now, the next rule is there. Neither of them blame the others. Did they? So look at now. Neither of them. Here the subject is neither of them blamed the other. Did they? Look at now. Now, which rule is applicable, or this is very important to remember now. When the subject of the sentence is anyone, anybody, everybody, everyone, somebody, no one, nobody, none, then the pronoun they is used as the subject in the question tag. This is the rule is there. So according to this one, we have to follow. Means neither is given there, neither of them. So look at now, I have given you the list of the some of the pronoun, right? These pronouns are occurring as a subject in the sentence. Then what we have to use? Instead of them, we have to use they, right? So these are the some of the basic rules. You have to write them in the notebook, and you have to remember them while converting, while adding the tag. So that's all in this session. We will meet again. Thank you.